Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the Notion desktop or mobile app updated, so start there. Open Notion and sign in. Once done, check whether you want system-wide dark mode or a Notion-only change because that affects the path you take. Make sure to export any critical pages first if you prefer a safety net. Now navigate to settings directly, don't waste time in other menus, and prepare to change appearance. This initial choice determines subsequent steps and how themes interact with other apps on your device. You'll go into Settings and Members on desktop, then find Appearance and pick Dark to apply Notion's native theme immediately. On mobile, open Settings, tap Appearance and choose Dark or Use System if you want automatic switching with your phone. If you pick Use System, Notion follows your OS schedule and saves manual toggles. This matters because it prevents conflicts between app and system themes. Also, adjust contrast or font size if available to keep readability high after the color shift. Once you've selected dark and confirmed the interface changed, scan key pages to ensure blocks, embeds, and images display correctly. Some embeds may need reload. If Notion didn't switch, restart the app or relaunch the browser tab. This resolves most transient issues. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall to fix corrupted files, and make sure OS accessibility settings or color filter apps aren't forcing different colors. If that still fails, contact Notion support with your device and app version for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.